Hey guys, and welcome to Vlogmas Weekend 2. So basically today is December 8th and it is literally, what time is it right now? Wow, it is 10:54. Normally I would not start a vlog this late, but I literally had a lot of stuff to do during the evening time and I had to go to the hair salon and that took a really long time. But basically when I got back home and after I like showered and everything and like ate something, I noticed that I got a package in the mail and I'm really excited to open this, and I don't even want to wait for tomorrow morning to open it. So I just decided that I should just do like a little fun unboxing this Friday night. I also got something earlier in the day too, so I might as well show you guys that as well. So yeah, this is just going to be a little like unboxing first review. So basically this package is from a YouTuber that I love watching. Her name is Adeline Morin. You guys probably have heard of her. She's like huge on YouTube, and basically she has her own clothing line called Girls Supporting Girls. I love the meaning behind it, and I think a portion of like whenever you buy something on her website goes to some charity as well, or like it's a donation, so that's also very cool too. I know that I think it was like before Thanksgiving she launched her new tracksuit, and it was like giving the whole vibes of like old Juicy Couture look of like the velour tracksuit, and it happened to be on sale, and I'm pretty sure the sale's still going on until like after Christmas, or like it ends on Christmas, something like that. So I was like, I have to get this tracksuit now, like there's no stopping me. So basically that is what's in this package right now, and I'm just gonna open it up with you guys. Okay, so I'm pretty sure like this is the top, and then these are the bottoms. Oh my god, I already can see the Girls Supporting Girls. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. And look at the back, it literally says Girls Supporting Girls, and then the pants like exactly the same, I'm pretty sure. And they have little pockets in the back, which is so cool. And then yeah, it just says like Girls Supporting Girls here at the bottom. So I am really excited to wear this. I feel like I'm gonna be living in these tracksuits because this was my vibe when I was in high school, so I'm loving that this is back in style. And honestly, I'm probably gonna do like some type of photo shoot this weekend because I've been getting like a lot of inspiration from like the people on her Instagram page. A lot of people, I guess, who've been getting it have been like posting and tagging her, so I definitely want to do that as well. So yeah, I'm really excited for these, and they're also very soft too. Oh, and I got these in a size medium just because I'm 5'9", I'm pretty tall. Normally I'd probably get a small, but I think the medium should be the best bet with like how tall I am. So the other place that I went to, or like got something earlier today, was from Aritzia. I only got 2 things. I basically ordered this online because they didn't have the color and size that I wanted. But look how cute the way that they package it for Christmas. I think this is so cute. But I just ended up getting 2 shirts. They're pretty basic, honestly. I just needed some basic like tees and stuff like that. So the first one is just this long white t-shirt. Like I said, this is a necessity. I don't know, I feel like because it's like fall and getting into winter, I was kind of like looking at my wardrobe and I was just like, I have a lot of t-shirts, but like no just plain basic long sleeves. I can like wear jeans and leggings and like dress it up a little bit and make it look cute. So yeah, that's why I ended up getting this. I also ended up getting something else from Skims because I heard really good things about their long sleeve there too, so that should be coming in the mail as well. And then the other thing that I got was just another long sleeve, but like with the buttons going down in the middle. I think these are very cute with the leggings, and you kind of just pop, you know, the top button a little bit, show a little cleave, and it looks like, you know, you were trying even though you really weren't. It's just like a plain little long sleeve with buttons in the middle. But yeah, that's pretty much all that I got from Aritzia and the package that I really wanted to show you guys. So now I think I am just going to head to bed because I have to wake up really early tomorrow, and we have like a good amount of things that I'm doing tomorrow. So yeah, I will make sure to take you guys along with me, and I'll talk to you guys in the morning. Hey guys, so it is the next day. It's a little bit later in the evening because I had to do a couple of things earlier this morning, but right now I am just driving on my way to my fiance's house, and pretty much we are going to New York City to go see the tree and have dinner, and then also go to the Radio City music hall to go see the Rockettes, which is really exciting. I've actually seen them before, but this is the first time my fiance is seeing them, so he's super excited. That's basically what I am doing right now, and I'm definitely going to take you guys along with me. I am debating whether or not I want to like tug around this big camera. I might just honestly film things on my phone, just because like it can get pretty hectic in New York City, and also I feel like it is freaking freezing out today. So yeah, I just don't have like the biggest purse with me either. So yeah, I think I might just film on my phone. Just wanted to update you guys, and I guess I'll see you once we're in the city.
Are you camera shy? Finally gonna go see the show, guys.
Okay guys, so clearly it is the next day. Today is December 11th and it is a Sunday, but I don't even like remember honestly what I got yesterday because I feel like it's so hectic to like vlog in New York City because there's just so much going on, there's so much noise, but like hopefully I got like enough clips for you guys. Obviously I wasn't really talking in a lot of them just because like I said, like you guys really can't hear me when I am trying to talk. But we got back home so late. I think literally we went to bed at like 3 a.m. Don't get me wrong, it was so much fun. I freaking love going to the city. I also found out that my fiance hates going to the city, which is quite funny. Like I don't know how that's gonna work out in the future because like I honestly love going to the city, but like he just like wasn't having it. He really enjoyed himself when we went to the show because that was like the most thing that he was most excited about, but he just like can't really do crowds anymore. And obviously like yesterday it was super packed because it's like Christmas season, so there's like more tourists than normal. Honestly, yesterday, just like breaking it down pretty much, we got into the city, we went to that restaurant that I showed you guys, Dallas Barbecue. It was really good. And then pretty much we were rushing because I want to go to a couple of shops to go shopping. I want to go to Bergdorf Goodman, which I kind of got like a clip of because I want to find a pair of shoes, and then I also went to Cartier. But we were pretty much rushing because the wait honestly wasn't that long for the restaurant, but all the shops pretty much close at 8, which sucks because it's like a Saturday and I'm surprised it's like the city, and especially like holidays. But apparently, I don't know, just the stores on 5th kind of just close early at 8 o'clock, so we were just rushing to get to those stores really fast. But honestly, I think I'm in love with the Cartier at New York City because It's just so amazing. It's so pretty. It's literally called the Cartier Mansion, and guys, there's 5 floors. I was like in shock. Like everything, it just like felt very magical. And I was like, I am never going to go to the Cartier store in New Jersey ever again. Like if I ever want to get future pieces, I'm going to that place. Even the guy was like joking around with me saying like, oh my god, doesn't this like put your other Cartier like out of place? I was like, yes, for sure. So absolutely loved it. And like I said, the service there was just like top notch. Like the fact that they took me in 5 minutes before closing and like let me take my time and everything like that was just beyond amazing. I like tried to get some clips, but honestly, like I don't know, I felt kind of like weird like whipping out my camera to like take videos because there was just like a lot of security and like obviously like a lot of sales associates just kind of like staring at me, and I'm like, this is kind of awkward, I won't like film this. And then I got to like try on the love bracelet for the first time. Like again, I wish I got like a clip of that, but I really liked it. I wish I could have had more time to try on more because I know a lot of people have been telling me to try the cuff bracelet as well in case I didn't want to like do the love bracelet and have to like keep it on all the time, since the screws can get loose if you take it on and off, since I'm the type of person that usually takes my jewelry on and off every night and then puts it back on in the morning. Basically what we did, and then obviously we went to go see the tree after that, and then we went to go see the show. So by the time all of that was done, pretty much it was like midnight, and of course my fiance had to go get chicken and rice because you know that's the hot spot over there. So by the time we got back home, because I think we took like the 1:22 a.m. train, which is the last train from New York to New Jersey before like the next one I'm pretty sure is like 5 a.m. Just by the time we got back home and had to drive back home, and I took a shower because I felt really gross from being in the city for so long, I just like didn't want to whip out the camera because I was so tired. But anyway, so today is Sunday, and basically I just decided to stay back because my fiance actually went to a book signing, but he said he would give me a little bit of like some clips because he is going to meet the guy from The Sopranos, Micheal Imperioli. So I'm just going to insert the clips right here. But yeah, that's pretty much what he did this morning, and I'm kind of just finishing up getting ready. And I think what I'm going to do today, if you guys can like tell, I'm wearing my Girls Supporting Girls tracksuit, so I definitely want to take some pictures even though it's raining outside, so it might be like a rainy photo shoot, but that's okay. I also definitely want to go to Starbucks because I need to wake up, and then I might do a Target run because they're doing like a white elephant at my office this week, so I really need to get something. That's pretty much what the agenda is for today, and I definitely want to edit this video today as well and like put it up for you guys either tonight or tomorrow. So yeah, that's what my Sunday is looking like. Just wanted to catch up with you guys, let you know what happened, since like again, like I said, I apologize, like the clips really weren't the best from yesterday, but yeah, that's pretty much what happened. Okay, I'm gonna go to Starbucks now. Oh, that's hot. It is freaking cold outside. It's like snowing / raining, but I'm still out here doing this photo shoot, guys. We're having some technical difficulties with the lights. They just like won't turn on for some reason. They look really pretty. Okay guys, I think I'm just going to end the vlog here. It is freaking freezing outside. I'm done. But thank you so much for watching my vlog. Make sure you subscribe so you can see me next weekend for Vlogmas Weekend 3. Love you guys and see you in the next vlog.